Hello, remote workers. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I have this content creator specialist. Yes, it's from this company, Carnival Corporation. They are hiring. They have so many jobs, but today we're gonna review this job. This is content creator specialist. Is virtual. You can work remotely. So they are seeking a talented and dynamic content creator specialist to join their team. So this role is primarily focused on driving sales through social media and enhancing employee engagement through creation of engaging training video, product knowledge, and product knowledge content. So the ideal candidate will have a creative mindset, exponential storytelling ability, and deep understanding of sales techniques and employee training strategy. As a content creator specialist, you will play a crucial role in developing compelling content that motivate your employees, boost sales performance, and improve overall customer service. Now, I have prepared actually the key word that you have to include in your resume. So I know most of the time you can apply, okay, but you don't know what to include in your resume. So here I have this keyword. Let me go to job description in details, and then we'll be back to review this resume together. Okay, this is keyword in the resume. Of course, you have your own format in your resume, but the problem is what to include in your resume. Okay, so here there is job essential. There is create content on weekly basis that will drive a new sales and engagement for their employees to share through their social media channels. Develop and produce high quality training video with engaging scripts, storyboards, and visual concepts that effectively communicate product knowledge and sales techniques to their employees. Coordinate and manage production process including video shooting, editing, production activities, and so many more. Incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes and assignment to enhance employee engagement and knowledge retention. So there is so many things here such as regulate and update, and the main library of training videos. It's all about videos, content creation, script writing, everything related to social medias, everything. As you can see, it's content creator specialist. So this job is pretty much job that you can work at your own schedule. Okay, you can work at your own schedule as long as you produce the content they are looking for. Here there is a collaborate with subject matter expert and sales team to gather information and insight for content creation. Of course, there is so much meeting that will be going on so that you know what to produce. Of course, it's not like from anywhere. They will give you the idea what to produce, and then you will produce the content or of that script. Okay, stay up to date with industry trend, of course, technically advancement and best practice in content creation, employee engagement, and sales training. Okay, collaborate with marketing team to develop promotional materials and campaign that support sales initiatives. 25% shipboard travel. Yes, all those are job essentials. If you go to qualification, they only request you to have bachelor degree in marketing or communication or any other related field. If you have 2 to 3 years of experience in content creation, you have to have that. That is a must. The ideal candidate must possess strong understanding of sales techniques and strategies with the ability to translate into engaging and informative content. And the visual applying for this job position must have a creative mindset with passion for creating engaging and impactful content. So guys, it's all about content. Of course, also in your resume you have to include that you have created content. Okay, so such I believe you have been doing some of the part-time jobs like this. So if you have a YouTube channel as well, that can be a good experience. Okay, professional in video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and so many more, and multiple tools. Excellent storytelling and script skills with the ability to simplify complex concepts and make them uh, relatable and complying, ability to work independently and manage multiple projects simultaneously, strong attention to details, that is a must. Okay, so you have to know the salary they will pay you up to 75,000 USD. Okay, this is a good money, guys. The range for this lower based hourly rate, and this is the amount of money you can get per year. They offer selected candidates will be made on fair and equitable basis. Consider specific jobs related skills and experience. For all applicants, please upload your resume, of course. Without uploading a resume and completing the application, you will not be able to be considered, of course. For the internal candidate only, follow the instruction. So if you are working in this company, it's gonna be easy for you. So again, the company is Carnival. They are hiring and they have the benefits. Okay. Um, so they say your package rewards is more than your base salary. All non-sales sales participate is no annual cash bonus program. So they have this program that you can be able to get all these bonuses as much as you sell your sales in your department. So they have these health benefits, cost effective medical, they have dental, employee assisting program, and other mental um, health resources. They have their program includes premium pay, time life insurance, and disability coverage. They have 401k that include company match. Wow, that's good one. Employee stock purchase plan. They have paid time off. They have the benefits, other benefits. Um, Personal and professional learning and development resources, including tuition reimbursement. This company, of course, they provide equipment. There is ethics and compliance. So, guys, let's go to the summary. I know that was what you are looking for because I know you will do more research about this company. This is a good company and they have more benefits, as you can see, and they have a good pay. Imagine content creator, specialist. Of course, it's remote, and you will be paid this amount of money, up to 5,000 USD. So let me go to this uh, keyword of what you can include in your resume. You can even short screen if you want. You can see, of course, you have to have experience in content creation. Yes, let's say you can say the company that you have been working with, the date and everything, so that can be your first experience. Also, you can say created engaging content on weekly basis to drive new sales and employee engagement through social media channels. Develop and produce high quality training videos. So you can include something like that. So the trick here is to take what they said in job description and make sure you include in your job experience, because this is about computerized resumes. So they will, at least your resume can pass if you include all of this. Okay, so make sure you short screen or you pause the video so that you include everything here that is developed and produced high quality training video. I have said that. Incorporated and interactive elements such as quizzes. You can see this is quiz and assignment. As we have said, there is that name, that keyword in the job description. if you can see, let me see, that there is quizzes and assignments. So you have to create a sentence in a way that that keyword can come back in your resume. Okay, so can you repeat in that resume? There is this is like a sentence. You can give your sentence like this one. uh, Conducted through research and on product, market trend, and competitor to ensure accurate and up-to-date information in training materials. So there is uh, cooperated with the marketing team to develop promotional material and campaign that promoted sales initiatives. So try to rotate that resume. Don't apply immediately without matching your resume and the job description for this specific job. So I think it's clear now. So what I can say here is that this company, they have so many jobs are available on their website. Go to carnival.com. Carnival.com is the company you see. Of course, this is a great company. Of course, if you work in this company, your travel can be smooth. And if you go to careers, you have to know where to find careers. It was hard actually for me to get careers. Let me find careers, guys. Okay. It is not here. Careers. Okay. So sometimes it's hard to get careers. So go to here, explore, and the destination. You can see destination, onboard activities, and then careers ahead to find careers no matter what. Okay. Or shipping, uh, destination, and everything. So I have find careers. Or if you don't see careers, as you can see, I'm struggling to get careers here. Yeah, here, guys, here. It's here. So you go down and find careers here. So the target is get careers. So go to the website carnival.com and then go down here. Careers is here, and then if you click, this page will show up. Choose fun on your career. So there is so many jobs. There is jobs in IT, there is jobs in marketing, there is jobs in entertainment, there is jobs in one job opportunity in call center, four jobs opportunity in finance, guest operation. There is no job opportunity at the moment. HR, they have 5 position. There is marine, there is 4 position. So they have so many position. Let's say this call center, you can see there is content creator specialist. That is the job that we reviewed today. As you can see, that is the job that we reviewed. It is in the call center department. So that is how you can navigate their website. If you are in the marketing, you can click here, marketing. You can see they have CRM senior analyst and also digital product manager. So they have it's remote, but you have to be, of course, in the United States. As far as I can see, yesterday I posted the jobs. They have so many. I posted many jobs that you can find jobs worldwide. Yes, you can work from anywhere on those different jobs. I believe there are 4 companies, if I remember, 4 companies that I posted yesterday. So you can check it out. Those job position if you are in Africa, in Asia. So but you guys, if you're in the United States, there is so many opportunities, guys. Keep applying and make sure you include your resume keyword. That is very, very necessary. So yes, this is the job that I wanted to share with you today, guys. Make sure you share with your friends who are looking for a part-time job. I know how hard it is to get a job, especially remote jobs. Share with them and let me to the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.